The ISTE standards, as a framework, it's holistic. It covers standards for students, educators, leaders, and coaches. It covers so many aspects as per like student learning and teaching and learning in general. Amongst them, you have digital citizenship, you have empowered learner, and you have also creative communicator and computational thinker. As a set of standards within my practice and someone who is quite familiar with ISTE, it helped me a lot accurately scale the technology integration and enhance my skills using technology and supported with research and with professional learning networks as well. This is from my perspective as someone who is in the educational field and practicing teaching and trying to improve my skills as an ICT integrationist.
Uh, the ISTE standards, from my perspective as a researcher and somebody who's been involved for a long time with the technology integration, they are among the most holistic and comprehensive standards out there. And the added value they have includes the professional training that they offer, as well as the resources that they provide, and the fact that they have been consistently progressing with the changes in the field. Like, it's not a standstill set of standards which is not associated or linked to reality and the practice as we go. So how do you find that as somebody who's working in the classroom? How do you find ISTE's progression?
I think ISTE's standards have been renovated with the rise of AI and everything. And I've seen like they work a lot on improving their standards or actually making them more meaningful. They have rewritten them for the new sets that they released recently. But what I noticed is that some of the standards are written in a way that doesn't apply in most of the international schools or probably are more US oriented. So this is one of the gaps that I noticed, and I had to change my environment so that I make sure that my practice meets those standards. So yeah, this is one of the challenging spots we could say.
That's definitely true, especially with the more localized government schools in particular countries around the world.